Abby, what are you doing? What you doing? Eggs. Are you making Mother's Day breakfast for Mama? Uh-huh. Can you crack an egg with Caleb? Caleb did good.
No, I'll burn.
Okay, oh careful. You gotta do it on the bowl. Caleb showed her how to do it.
Okay. Abby, so take an egg, then crack it, then pull it open.
Okay, help her with her egg.
Okay. So, look. You wanna hold it? Hold it.
Over the wall, please. You wanna hold the egg, Abby? No? You want Caleb to do it?
So crack it. Pull it.
Good job, Caleb.
Lick.
You didn't even get any shells in there, did you?
Tap up.
Did you say good job, Caleb? Abby, tell Mama, Happy Mother's Day.
Mother, Day. 4. Oh, you dropped it? Oh, there. That's okay. 4.